Okay, now I can start. Okay. Okay, what? I don't have enough time, man. Sometimes ADHD is like hyperactivity, and you just can't focus, and sometimes it's just the most aggressive hyperfixation that you've ever seen. And I have a favorite nude lipstick, and I lost it and I can't find it. Have I looked terribly hard? No, but it's one of those things where, like, if you can't find it, you know you can't find it. So I go to rebuy it and I was like, oh, I can't remember. And I wanted to get other shades of it. And NYX is buy one, get one. So I bought 3 lipstick shades and an eyeliner. I got the Epic Ink Liner to replace my Drench Cosmetic one, since that does not, I missed the drop. So I have these 3 to try. That's not why we're making this video. It might be its own separate video, but it's February, which means it's ColourPop vlog for the Valentine's Day collection. I love heart-shaped shit. I went out with my boyfriend and bought a heart-shaped candle. I like the way it smells. And I was gonna get like a candle that was like nice for both of us, but he didn't particularly like the scent, but it's heart-shaped, so sorry. You know. I got this Barbie mirror. I think I'm gonna buy the big one off Amazon and bedazzle it. Ooh. 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 I love heart-shaped, love pink. We all know this. This is not new. So I got the highlighter blush duos. I kind of like a dreamier pink on my face. And the pink one shows up pretty good. Let's get our eyebrows on and get started. Oh, wait, I should show you for the other video. Got my knife. I got First Impressions. And like, I follow Jasmine Kazooie, and she did not like this one during her hunt to find a new eyeliner, but I need something felt and black, and I don't do a lot of inner corner stuff, so there's like a little bit of feathering on that ColourPop liner. Calligraphy, bitch. It's a little thick on the front end, but yeah. And a swing, and I missed. Sometimes you have to put the gun down. Ah. And we're gonna take this brush, take our big ass highlighter, and we're gonna gently scrape off the black. I'm like half vision, half blind by the seat of my pants. Love the pink, the red, you know. God is God. Another piece just broke off against my hand. America. Just trying to dab off some of this extra product. I don't even know what this part of the song is. Gotta open the product up first because I can't get it open on camera. Oh, poof. Alright, cool. Powdering my under eye. I like never wear powdered much. So let's go with this one. This one being Hot to Touch. Again, this one feels like a little more neon. I'm like loading up this like heavier, rounder brush to put it up here where it's, you can get nuclear up there, I don't care. I miss liquid blush. Missing you, girl. These subtle hoes ain't for me. Okay. It's that time of the year. It's the time of the year. It's that time of the year. Alright, cool. You can see me just fine. America. Freedom. Satisfying ASMR videos. The soft squish of Lipstick leaving a tube. All right. Oh God, I gotta take this lip gloss off. Good. Do I need a lip liner? Yes, but oh, hello. She's a little new. She's something. This is Puppy Love. This is the one I bought last. So I at least warned her, shot myself in the foot. There goes the lid. I'm trying to keep my dress as clean as possible. Like, you can't hide stains in solid print garments. There you go. Let's go with, ooh. Bartering with Jesus not to just absolutely dump me out of the side of this chair. You know, it's a numbers game. What do you consider plastic surgery? Botox? Alright. You know, the smell of freshly cut grass, babies on planes being an argument, who should pay for the check, and if you're not paying for the check, should you touch the bread? You can't see it, this one really well. Unsatisfying. This one's closer. This one's Teacher's Pet, but this is a little more brick. It's good. It's subtle. I thought about buying a pink, just to like have a pink one of these, because it's such a pretty, like, god damn it, if you don't flood that fucker. It doesn't match how I look right now. It's very pretty. It's a little light, but I don't hate it. Uh-huh. All right, lastly, this one's Best Buds. And like, seriously, like, women shouldn't even masturbate. They shouldn't even masturbate. They shouldn't even menstruate. We didn't menstruate in Africa. This one's, again, not very satisfying, but I got too much on the other one. This one is Best Buds. I didn't feel a little light. I think it probably was Teacher's Pet, but watch me go back and watch the video and find out that it's not. And I just gaslit myself. It's probably Teacher's. It was really cute. Did I find it? Maybe. I'm gonna have to actually go back into my video log and just look. I can't just look. I can't figure it out, because I bought it. I think I bought it in a Walmart. I think I also bought a red one. I have the red one on my Ulta, so I bought the red one. I know I have the video of it. I have like a burgundy one that I also have that's in my lipstick container. But either way, goals were met and surprised. The pink and red ones give off the same energy as light-skinned girls with red tattoos. Do with that information what you will on my dark skin. The liner, iconic. This lip gloss is so good. I'm wearing plumping gloss. I'm wearing, oh, I Am Me. Before I was wearing Drop In. Didn't love that one as much in this look. Or maybe I am wearing, you got sparkles? I'm wearing Drop In. I was wearing I Am Me in a different one. Yeah, I'm gonna just make TikToks. Have a good evening. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for as long as that lasts at Megan_blush_. Yeah.